Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. And it's a super modern set of events, isn't it? A tsunami in France, in Nice, kills 23 people. I don't remember that, so I'm wondering if that means it's not within the last handful of years. The Montreal Canadiens defeat the New York Rangers to win their 4th consecutive Stanley Cup. I don't know a lot about ice hockey, but I mean, that could really have been at any point in the last century or so, but it's obviously not going to be much earlier than that. And then the bottom clue, that's the one that really narrows it down a lot. Ayatollah Khomeini is the guy that was in charge until very recently, I believe. So supporters take over the Iranian law enforcement. The final session of the Iranian National Consultative Assembly is held. So how long do I think Khomeini was in charge of Iran? I can't imagine it would be more than about 30 years. I don't remember when he came to power, but it's going to start with a 2, isn't it, this year? The fact that I don't remember the tsunami means I'm wondering if it's more like 20 years ago rather than 5 or 10. I suppose it could be 25 or 30. I really don't know how long Khomeini was in charge for. Do I remember the Iranian Revolution? I mean, the problem is it feels like there's been a lot of revolutions in Iran, sadly, so I don't know which one this is referring to. I'm gonna guess to start with. I mean, I'm going to be relatively close either way, aren't I? I'm not going to be more than about a decade off. Let's try 2005. Oh, I'm at least 11 years off. That is a shame. Okay. So much for I'm not going to be more than a decade off. Let's try one more recent year then. Oh, now that is interesting. Clearly, he was in power even longer than I guessed. So, that's why I didn't remember either of the top 2 clues. I should have listened to my gut on that one, because it clearly can't be between those, and it can't be later than 2018, because 11 years after that is 2029, and we haven't had that yet. So it's got to be 1994 or earlier. So, wow, it's considerably earlier than I guessed. Okay, let's try 1990 then. Oh, what is going on here? It's 1978 or 1979. Are they the only 2 options left? Wow. I can't believe I restricted it so much with such terrible guesses. I really was far off, wasn't I? 26 years off when it's such a modern event is really far. But I clearly... I probably would have gone in the 70s or 80s or 90s just based on the top 2 clues. But that bottom clue, I just thought... Well, clearly, I thought it was much later. Oh dear. There's just been too many revolutions, as I said. Anyway, we got there in the end. Let me know how you got on. I'm sure you did better. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.